Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, if you are using any Windows 10 or Windows 11 in your laptop or PC, and when you want to download any app from Microsoft Store and not downloading apps, I'll help you how to fix this problem. And guys, some of these problems are occur like get button is not showing or get button is not working on Microsoft Store. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to click on here is the option of your account. So guys, simply you need to make sure that you have signed in your Microsoft account. So guys, if you have not signed in yet, you need to sign in with Microsoft account. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, after this you have to search here Microsoft Store. As you can see here, I am going to search here Microsoft Store. So guys, here you can see you need to right click on this store, and guys, you need to click on app settings. So guys, when you have click on this, you need to wait, and guys, scroll it down. Here you can see the option of repair. You have to click on repair option, and guys, you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, when it's done, as you can see here, it's done. And guys, after this you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to check that your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any app from your Microsoft account, Microsoft Store. So guys, if still not working your Microsoft, then guys, you need to go back, and guys, you need to disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect it again. So guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.